Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's day 35. I'm still here, still showing up, still in pain from these press-ups, but we're going to get another 100 done today. It's day 4 of the press-up challenge for February and I'm leaving it late today. I've already had my dinner. The pain is real, but we're going to get them done. First, I thought I'd show you where I am staying tonight. I am in Canary Wharf. Take you over here, show you that. You've got JP Morgan there, all lit up. Loads of lights on still, they'll be on all night. And then if we go this way, we have got the O2, all lit up. So that's my view from my little 1-bedroom flat for 3 nights. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, 20. Oh, 25. Oh, 40. Let's get to halfway. Oh, 45. Oh. 50. Halfway there. Five sets of 10. Oh, we got this. Oh, 4 sets left. Apologies if you can hear a humming noise. That's the fridge that you're perched next to. And just as I say that, it goes off. Very good. What's that, 4 sets left? Or 3? Oh, I think it's 4. Is it 4? I don't know. 4 sets left. Oh, 3 sets left. Oh, 2 sets left. Oh, 10 to go. Oh, 100. Another day down, another 100 in the bag. Now I will say, actually doing them, although my arms are hurting, I do feel that was a little bit better than yesterday, so maybe there's some progress there after all. It's only day 4. We'll get another 100 in tomorrow, and let's hope by the end of the month 100 comes a bit easier than what they are at the moment. I'm sure they will, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.